Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Medicare OTC Benefits account, setup guide step by step clearly. To register your Medicare OTC Benefits account, begin by visiting the official Medicare website. Look for the register or sign up option on the home page. Click on that link to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide details such as your full name, date of birth, and Medicare number. Make sure your information matches what is on your Medicare card. Next, create a username and a secure password for your account. Choose a password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After creating your password, you will typically need to answer security questions. Select questions that will be easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once you have completed this step, review your information for accuracy. Click the Submit button to proceed. You may receive an email or text confirmation to verify your identity. Follow any additional instructions in that confirmation message. After verifying your identity, return to the Medicare website. Log into your account using your new username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the OTC Benefits section of your account. Here, you can view your available benefits and start ordering items. Familiarize yourself with the ordering process and available products. If you encounter any issues during registration, refer to the website's help section. You can also contact customer support for assistance if needed. Keep your login information secure for future access to your account. Congratulations, you've successfully registered your Medicare OTC Benefits account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.